What's up, guys? Kyle here with Crypto Theory. All right, it's time for some speculation Saturday. All right, put those tinfoil hats on. We're going to speculate, have a little bit of fun right now, and we're going to come to an ultimate conclusion on this. Could Ethereum potentially surpass Bitcoin? Now, I'm not talking like right now, during this bull cycle or anything like that. I'm talking about in the future. Could Ethereum potentially surpass Bitcoin? And before we jump in and start talking about this, guys, make sure to smash up those likes. If you like crypto, if you like what we talk about, if you are a Bitcoin or Ethereum holder, which I know many of you guys are, definitely make sure to smash those likes. Also, subscribe to the channel, turn on those notifications. As soon as we hit 10,000 subscribers, we are doing a giveaway. So in the coming weeks, basically. So with that being said, one last thing actually I should mention. Guys, if you are a fan of Batman, totally unrelated, shameless plug right here. My younger brother and I are working on a new channel, Batman Theory. Just started it about a month ago. All things Batman, okay? Lots of stuff talking about all the different movies. We've got trivia. We've got unboxings for comics. He's got different things, with the comics, with the animated series, all stuff like that. So if you are a Batman fan, do us a favor, go over there and subscribe. It only takes one click of a button, and we really appreciate it. And we do awesome giveaways every Monday and Wednesday night when we do trivia on there. Okay, so if you're a fan of the Dark Knight or you just love trivia, definitely go check that out. Okay. That being said, let's jump into the video. It's not going to take too long. I just kind of want to cover something. A lot of people start asking about it. Okay, obviously everybody knows Bitcoin. Bitcoin is #1 overall market cap. It's the granddaddy of them all. It's the one that started this whole thing. $1 trillion market cap. I mean, you guys know the deal. 21 million. There will never be more than that. Obviously, scarcity is a huge thing with Bitcoin. So the big question is, will any project ever surpass Bitcoin? Because obviously they have a massive leg ahead right now. I mean, you look at it, they're at $1 trillion market cap. You compare that to Ethereum that's at 409, literally less than half of what Bitcoin currently is. Now, the big question is, will Ethereum or anybody else really ever surpass Bitcoin? Well, I want to say yes, okay? We're going to speculate on this a little bit. Again, this is going to be fun. And for all of you Bitcoin maximalists out there, hey, you know what? There's nothing wrong with that. I actually prefer altcoins personally. I love Bitcoin. I think everybody needs to have it in their portfolio. I think that altcoins have much more use case, and it's something that is absolutely going to be essential for all of crypto, but it's going to be essential from an investment standpoint, not professional financial advice, just my thoughts. But why do I think this? Well, first off, I want to talk about what Bitcoin actually is. A lot of people miscategorize this. It started out as a digital currency. Okay, it was meant to be a form of payment, and it still can be, but really Bitcoin is used as digital gold. It's a store of value. Okay, it's a digital asset that is a store of value, and people see it as kind of a safe haven for their crypto. Okay, the issue with that is there's really nothing sexy about it, I guess, if you will, other than the fact that you can kind of park your money in there and it's going to be safe. Obviously, the scarcity is a huge thing, but again, as institutions continue to purchase up Bitcoin, the price is going to rise higher and higher to the point where it almost will become unachievable or unobtainable to be able to get a Bitcoin, even if you only have partial of that. But people get that stigma in their mind that they have to have a full Bitcoin, or they have to have a full this or a full that. Well, enter Ethereum, okay? Ethereum, much easier. I mean, obviously at $3,500, not everybody has that lying around, but it's much easier to get yourself a full Ethereum if you want to. But on top of that, Ethereum has a lot more use case, okay? The original smart contract platform, it has so many more applications that are built on top of the Ethereum blockchain than anybody else does. And then obviously with the rollout of 2.0, that's going to be massively important for it and everything. But Ethereum literally is kind of the third wave of the internet, if you will, okay? So you have the original internet, where you had your, the .com bubble and everything. And then you've got your, Googles and Yahoos and stuff like that, and that's transformed into, things like Amazon and eBay and different sites like that. Okay, that's Web 1.0. Web 2.0 came about probably 10 to 15 years ago when you started introducing social media, okay? YouTube, for instance, Facebook, Twitter, all that type of stuff. That's kind of Web 2.0 where it connects everybody, okay? Web 1.0 was just getting everybody onto the internet and transforming the way that we get information, the way that we utilize technology. Web 2.0 was really something where it was more connecting everybody. Well, now we've got Web 3.0, and that's what Ethereum essentially is doing. Okay, that is utilizing blockchain and cryptocurrency, and Ethereum is the smart contract platform that has way more apps that are built on it than anybody else does currently, and that's why I do believe Ethereum has the opportunity to be able to someday surpass Bitcoin. The application is there for it, and I do believe that it will catch up to it. Now, here's the other thing. Here's the interesting thing about it. A lot of people think that all the gains are in Bitcoin. Everybody's been making more money in Bitcoin. I disagree. I believe ETH will be the biggest winner during this bull run, and potentially in the future, but for sure during this bull run, I think ETH is going to be the biggest winner for everybody. Now, I'm not saying Ethereum is going to pass Bitcoin right now. I'm saying in the future, in the distant future, I do believe that it will happen. And what I mean by these gains, people talking about all the gains. Well, I mean, let's take a look at Bitcoin. If you were investing in Bitcoin for the last year, you've made almost 500% returns. Incredible. Okay, absolutely incredible. However, let's take a look at Ethereum. Look at that. Guys, over three times the gains right there if you're an Ethereum holder, okay? That's why for me, Ethereum is the longest of long-term holds in my opinion. I think that it's something that everybody should have their hands on as much as possible. I think that it is the future, and it's going to overtake Bitcoin at some point. Again, not saying that that's going to be today. I'm saying that I believe that will be some point in the future. Now, the other thing I do want to point out, because this is something people talk about all the time. Let's take a look right now at overall market caps and everything. So a lot of people, speculating that Binance coin is going to overtake Ethereum at some point. I disagree, and here's why. Okay, Ethereum, almost half of the market cap of Bitcoin, about 40% of the market cap of Bitcoin. Okay, Binance coin isn't even a quarter of Ethereum. It's not even a quarter of Ethereum, okay? So Ethereum is closer to Bitcoin than Binance coin is to Ethereum, okay? On top of that, Binance coin is almost getting beat out by Dogecoin right now, okay? It's almost getting beat out by a meme cryptocurrency that was a joke, okay? It was started as a joke, and it's a meme, and it's almost getting, literally it's a $7 billion difference right now in terms of overall market cap, okay? Again, that just shows you right there. I believe ETH has such a leg up on any other project right now to potentially be able to surpass Bitcoin. I think that it's going to be very difficult for any projects to catch up to ETH anytime soon, and that's why Ethereum is my pick to eventually succeed Bitcoin as the number one crypto that there is. Now, Bitcoin is still going to have its place. It's still going to have its place because A, it started it all, but also B, it's the store of value. It is the thing that everybody knows. It's what gets everybody into the space for the most part, because everybody knows the name Bitcoin. However, Ethereum will become a household name, I believe, and I believe will overtake it because of the use case that it has and the fact that it's already giving investors more returns, and it's much more obtainable in terms of from a price point than Bitcoin is. Okay, Bitcoin, there's articles out there right now. We're not going to pull them up during this one right now, but we will pull it up in a different video. There's articles that Coinbase is running out of Bitcoin, or at least their reserves of it are quickly depleting. Okay, so just, food for thought, guys. Either way, guys, let us know in the comments below. Do you think Ethereum will eventually pass Bitcoin? If so, when do you believe that it will? I don't believe it'll happen during this bull run. I believe potentially during the next bull run. But within the next two cycles, I do believe you will see ETH on top, okay? So, not professional financial advice, just my thoughts. But, guys, give us your thoughts in the comments down below. Which one do you prefer and why? All right? With that being said, guys, happy Saturday. We'll catch you in the next one.